Hi everyone,
Hello.
we're here in Greece, taking our annual holiday at the moment. What you see behind us is our tent that we set up at the beach. We stay down here for quite a few hours, and over there is the crowd. I've been away for approximately 5 months from my channel, and I have a reason for it. I've done some damage in my back. Nancy, what's it called that's happened to me?
The technical term is called lumbar disc protrusion. Protrusion, yes.
Okay. And I was about to have an operation done, but I told them I'm not going to miss out on my annual holiday in Greece. This is back in London. And so I've taken my holiday, and when I go back, I've got an appointment to arrange the date of the operation. And I should be okay next year. I shouldn't need the cane. I was out for 2 months. Basically, the only positions I had was lying down or standing up. And eventually in time, I was on some really mean painkillers, mate. They kept me stoned, like really stoned. I was getting spasms in my leg. All the muscles were just jumping around by themselves. And that was causing a lot of pain. Because after a few days, a week, it started to seriously get painful. But we got a handle on that. It took 2 months to get a handle over that. And now I'm ready to come back and do my thing again. I want to discuss a lot of truths that I see from my perspective, and probably awake some people. It's all about awakening. I started off all my life struggling. I've been working for over 50 years of my life, and they're telling me I've got another 5 more to go before I can retire. So I've got a boss over my head, but I don't really pay too much attention to their shit. I just do what I want. And that's why I take these long holidays. This year, instead of taking a 2-month break, we're taking a 1-month break so I can get back to my appointments for my back. And to tell you the truth, I haven't worked for 5-6 months, right?
Yeah.
And my wife has been supporting me. Well, she married me for better or for worse. And this is the first worse I've had. And she's been supporting me financially. She's made sure nothing's missing from my life, you know, my old routine. And plus, she managed to give me a 1-month holiday here. All expenses paid by Nancy. Well, if you think about it, if we're both working, we can easily take a 2-month holiday. She pays for 1 month, I pay for the other month. Ha 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 ha. As if we've got 2 pockets. Yeah. We've been together for 32 years, married for over 30 now. And, well, I just wanted to tell everyone where I disappeared to. But I'm going to come back a lot stronger and a lot more vicious. So stay tuned and watch me lose my head sometimes. Thanks for listening. And thanks for being patient to all my subscribers that I have, and anybody who else who's following us. Thank you for being patient. I'm going to stick to it now. I'm going to do a lot of filming while I'm here in Greece. When I get back to London, I'm going to edit and start posting. And this place triggers me. We've got a lot of things to talk about. Okay. So we're going to go back to our little tent. We'll probably take a dive in the water now, come back, then have something to eat and drink, and make another one of these segments really quick, and then move on home. Okay. We'll see you soon.
See you.
And take care. Love.